Hi, I'm Bet from Bet's Makes, and this mini lesson is all about fonts, the difference between system and Cricut fonts, and an easy way you can use in order to see all of those fonts. So let's get going by starting a new project, right here, and I'm going to replace. First thing I want to do is I want to add some text. Now you'll notice when I type out the word, it comes up here, and you'll notice up here it has picked Cricut Sans. That's the first one that comes to mind. So we're going to click on the arrow here, and you notice that there's two different types of fonts. We have System and we have Cricut. If I click on Cricut, these are the fonts that are available to you through either Cricut, Cricut Access. But you also have to be very aware of anything that's going to cost you money. For example, this one, Apple's Black, is $4.99 and it's multi-layer cutting. So you have to be very cognizant of what those particular things are. For system fonts, you're going to be able to scroll up and down and take a look at what your system fonts are. I have hundreds of them. So sometimes it's really difficult to choose the one I want. So I'm going to show you a little trick about choosing your system font. I'm going to open up a browser, and this is called Word Market. Now I'm going to just scroll up to the top here, and you can see all of my system fonts with the word that I typed in up here. So I type in kindness, and then I can look at my word kindness and choose which one I would like it to look like. Now this is a very nice one. This is called Casteller. Now I'm just going to click on it, and it's now Casteller, and that's just so I can come back and look at it. So I have to take Casteller. I'm just going to show you on the screen here where I've highlighted it, Casteller. And this particular one, I have to look for inside Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to minimize this. Now I'm going to search here. I have System. So what I want to do is Casteller. And I'm going to click on the search. And it gives me the one that I want. I'm just going to click on it, and my word is automatically changed. So those are a couple of little tricks that you can use in order to choose your fonts. Now what you do with them after that point is you can take them apart, you can rearrange them, and do anything you want with those fonts, so it doesn't matter which kind. We'll talk about some of the different ways you can deal with fonts in a later video. So I hope you got something out of this one, and until next time, happy crafting.